Prashna, a most important text with which the entire Taittiriya Aranyaka begins. And actually, there are 6 to 10 Kandika or Prashnas in the Taittiriya Aranyaka. Agnikanda is there and all that. But this particular Aruna Prashna is highly popular because it has got multi-application and sure benefits to the Upasakas. And so we have been making a long journey trying to understand all about Surya Bhagavan. And there are more than 28 seers who have been revealed of the knowledge regarding the sun in the sky and his Surya Mandalam and all that. So we have just noted down the creation in all directions. So Prajapati, what he do? He just picked up some water and then it go away with a handful of water and then threw it to the 10 directions with a mantra that Eva, Hyeva, Eva, Hyeva. This is the simple mantra, Eva. Then with that, he created all the directions and also the rulers of the directions and all of them. And then Arunaketukaha uparishtadupadadhatu evahi deva iti tato deva manushyaha gandharvascha apsarasaschodadishtan sordhvadiku ya viprusho viparapatan tabhyo asurarachagumsi pisachascha udadishtan tasmatte parabhavan विप्रभ्यो हि ते समभवन् तदेशाभ्यनूक्ता. So here you said Arunaketuka upadhatat, then with the mantra eva hyeva, Agni came up, then one by one we have noted Agni came up, then there came up Vayu, then came up Indra, then there came up Pushan, and all these gods have come. So Atharunaketu Paschat Upadadhatu. Upadadhatu means through it. So that towards that direction, that particular water has been deposited. So water is the base, and from water everything originates, everything sustains, and everything consumes, or consummation is there. So we notice that all devas, manushyas, pitaraha, gandharvaha, apsaraha, all these people came into that. That's all about the semi-creation, semi-beings creation. And that became the Urdhvadiku. So that became the Urdhvadiku, that is the eastern direction. Then Arunaketuka uttered the mantra Evat Evahi Eva Devaha Evati Devaha, like that. For the format of the mantra, whomever they want to bring up, that has come up. So all these gods, Mainsu, Gandharvasu, water nymphs, all became known to be living in the Urdhvadik Akasham. Therefore, we have Urdhvadik at 20th place. There are names to respective quarters are given. Even today, the directions are called with such mantras, and in the worship schedules, all honor is being shown to the Digdevatas, Digdevatas, and also ancillary other devatas there, and that has become an important feature for all Brahmins whenever they composed or computed the framework of Sandhyavandana mantras. So after Gayatri Japa, we make namaskar to all of them. Then, after doing all that, there came some kind of drops that which has skipped, not falling into the Vedi, but getting spilt out of it. Tasmat te, then from that viprudbhyaha tabhyo asura raksha gumsi pisachaha cha udatishtan tasmat te parabhavan viprudbhyo hi te samabhavan tadeshabhyanukta. So even Pitru Devatas themselves happen to be a variety among the Vedic gods. So that's why Pitru Devatas or Pitru Loka is there. And whoever are born Manushyas, they are again to go back to the Pitru Loka. That's why we are having. So Pisachas are the category of the Rakshasas, getting the name as Pisacha, beautiful. And the water drops have done it. And in fact, when in Ramayanam, you observe the Pisachas being mentioned, being maintained by the Ravanasura's court, or Ravanasura's Rajyam, Lanka Rajyam. So, but our Anjaneya, Hanuman, is supposed to be one who can drive them all. So, Bhuta, Preta, Pisacha, Yakshaya, Vraga, Rakshasaha, all these people are not promotive of the divine activity. Therefore, so the Parabrahma, in the instance of creating Sun God, he has given rise to many other things to fill up the emptiness in the nature. Because Pralayam, after Pralayam, there was only water, water, water. Apa, Mapa, Mapa, Sarvaha. And there cannot be any new. See, it's an experience to all people that if you build a house, slowly the house becomes filled with furniture, addu, idu, ella madbittu. You will not have place at all. In fact, in New York, there was one shop I saw, the furniture shop. They put the board for the furniture as the rooms in your house to go. So the moment you fill the house in furniture, that particular area is lost for your own personal movements. So there is that kind of Parabrahma. And why this kind of collation and filling up the emptiness of the nature is because so creation is not of one variety, but it is of innumerable varieties. Therefore, everybody has got opportunity to be born, and opportunity for activity, and opportunity for elevation. So thereby, looking at the expanse of the kind of people brought up in the creation, so there has come out a lot of scriptural literature. So next we have got now the Brahmins and all that comes into being. Now I am reading the expression. చదవండి ఫస్ట్ అథారుణ కేతు ఉపరిష్టాత్ చదవండి మీరు ఒకసారి. అథారుణ కేతురుపరిష్టాత్ ఉపాదధాతు. ఏవా హి దేవాః ఇతి.
ఏవా హి దేవాః ఇతి తతో దేవమనుష్యాః పితరః గంధర్వా అప్సరసశ్చోదతిస్తన్ సోర్ధ్వాదిక్ యా విప్రుషో విపరాపతన్ భాభ్యో అసురా రక్షాగుంసి పిశాచాశ్చోదతిస్తన్ తస్మాత్ తే పరాభవన్ విప్రుభ్యో హితే సమభవన్ tadeshabhyanukta.
Yes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ we understand from this text, Pitruloka is a separate one, and they are all the creation simultaneously along with other creations, gods and all that. So one has to go. Similarly, Devaloka also, as we understand from Purusha Sukta, yatra purve sadhya santi devaha yajnena yajnamayajanta devaha tani dharmani pradhamanyasam teha nakam sachante yatra purve sadhya santi devaha. Here we are given to the understanding that the Nakaloka has been created by the earlier gods who have gone, and they know that there will be also future a large number of gods whatever set of gods that has been created by Arunaketaka Prajapati cannot be the fixed number. Just like the Janasankhya is growing and all that. So there is no limitation for the population at each generation and at each family. So there is that kind of continuation of that. Therefore, keeping the future in mind, that all positive and negative beings are also created. For example, Rakshagumsi Pisachaha, Rakshas and Pisachas, they are also the Rakshasa community kind. Therefore, and moreover, there is that kind of grouping. So only gods and Pitru Devatas, they only live, they are friendly and they walk together and they have communications to each other. So because of the Pitrus associated with the Devas, the Bhuloka, whoever are living upon the earth are just dead and going to other lokas after leaving the body. Because body is only an ayatanam. Body is only a rest place or traveler's bungalow or a hotel room where you cannot afford to continue there only. If at all, it is very expensive to continue in that place. We don't want that kind of expensive life. Supposing one stays in the hospital or some such ICU and all that, it is really hitting the mark and difficulties. Adhakoskara Veda. Now, after all this, Viprut Viha and all this is completely utilized. All water drops and water flow is totally utilized by the Prajapati, because there cannot be any kind of wastefulness at all. Waste is always condemned. Even in our Vedas, the wasting is condemned, and Uchishta is banned. So in olden days, as we observe, if they are eating on a banana leaf, the banana leaf used to be so clean and neat, that way they eat, so that the husband eats, the wife also uses the same banana leaf and eat. Those were the days which we cannot imagine now. Our present children don't know it. But we remember to have seen the leaf on which the husband took the food, same leaf the wife will use. I remember my co-brother, who is now 103 years old, his wife, as long as she lived, she was having that kind of pativratya mode, and she was using the same leaf that was used by her. So ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ things are there which are liked, which are continued, which are also described as people come up. So in this age and in future age, we can never imagine that kind of things. It's all right. Now,
ಎಸ್ ಗುರು, ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಟ್ಟೆನಲ್ಲೇ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋರು 1960 to 1972. ಐ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್.
Very good. So, you are ready example quoting.
Yes, sir.
That was the kind of wife and husband attachment and regard, and also that husband is supposed to be everything. And they never speak, they never call the husband by name or by never order or anything like that. That's why Sita Devi in Ramayana says a beautiful statement. Pita dadati mitam dadati pita mitam bhrata mitam putraha amitasya dataram bhattaram kana pujayet anta Sita Devi Hanumanthaniಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. Andre, see, Rama is away and he's not knowing you, and he left you and go away and all. So Hanuman just tried to tickle Sita Devi. Why still you have so much regard on Rama and that? But she never swerves from her that. ಈಗ Sita Rama ಪಟ್ಟಾಭಿಷೇಕ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೇಪಾಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನಕಪುರ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಡಾಟರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಡಗಳು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ ಸೀಮ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು Sita Devi going to be installed in the Ram Mandir, Ayodhya. So that's a in-law place to her. So this is how the sentiments in those days between wife and husband. And if you happen to read the 10 Ashirvad mantras, that is a Vivaha Ashirvada, that is when once marriage and all that is over, then they will make one factor saying that it is a sadas. In the sadas, you observe all Brahmins join and recite the 10 stotras like that. They say that, say, imau dampati, imau dampati, imau dampati ಅಂತ ಒಂದು 10 ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಿದೆ. ಆ 10 ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಪ್ರವಾಹ ಜನಿತ. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ prose that it is. In fact, I chose that particular text as a part of my topic to be presented in a seminar for 3 days on Vivaha Samskara, conducted in the Ganapati Sachidananda Swamiji Ashram, Mysore, sometime back. And the person who organized was a software engineer and all that, but he took PhD from Madras University on this samskaras, more focusing on Vivaham. So why I'm telling is that was the kind of thing in those of Priprudbhyaha hite, Priprudbhyo hite samabhavan. Hita is the utilization of the even the drops of the water. Yagnadalli kuda, even in the yagna, the ahutis get spilled here and there and all that. And we are not supposed to pick it up and put in the fire again. No, that is meant for that. And in fact, whenever in a yagna, if the animal is slaughtered, the blood of the animal, sacrificial animal, is being offered to Rakshasas. So they are happy with that, with the blood of the offering. They also consider the blood as their ahuti for them. So Rakshasam bhagosi, they say in Yajurveda. I'm going to tell if at all I remember in the next hour which I'm talking. So Rakshasam bhagosi, because Rakshasaru kuda yagna bhaga beku anta tumba anxiety enda irtare. But the gods are so clever that they try to deprive the Rakshasas the yagna bhala. But whatever is recluse of that will be only sent out. Now I will go to the next. Let us go to the next one. Apohayat bruhatir garbhamayanno daksham dadhana janayanti swayambhum tatayimedhya srujyanta sargaha adbhyo va idagum samabhutu tasmadidagum sarvam brahma swayambhu iti. Tasmadidagum sarvagum sithilam iva adhruvam iva abhavatu
Prajapatirvavat atmanatmanam vidhaya tadevanupravishat tadeshabhyanukta.
Very good.
Tadeshabhyanukta. Yes, sir.
First in the apohavai adhodol అక్కడి నుంచి
apoha yad bruhatir garbhamayan daksham dadana janayanti swayambhum tata imedhya srujyanta sargaha adbhyo va idagam samabhut tasmadidagam sarvam brahma swayam viti tasmadidagam sarvagam shitulamiva dhruvamiva bhavat tasmadidagam sarvagam shitulamiva dhruvamiva bhavat prajapatirvavat ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿರ್ವಾವತತ್ ಆತ್ಮನಾತ್ಮಾನಂ ವಿಧಾಯ ಆತ್ಮನಾತ್ಮಾನಂ ವಿಧಾಯ ತದೇವಾನುಪ್ರಾವಿಶತ್ ತದೇವಾನುಪ್ರಾವಿಶತ್ ತದೇಶಾಭ್ಯನೂಕ್ತ
Beautiful.
ತದೇಶಾಭ್ಯನೂಕ್ತ.
How much knowledge has been given to us regarding the creation. See, anything that you create at first will not be stable, will be requiring touches. Touch ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ತರಹ ಈವನ್ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ ಆರ್ ಅರುಣ ಕ್ರಿಯೇತಕ ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್, things were all not steady. They were just hard or fickle. And Prajapati again he gave a final touchings and saw that the world became a place where there is decay and disappearance. And the world can never be constant, can never be permanent. Prapanchave ಏನು ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. And impermanence in the nature, impermanence in the water, impermanence in everything is being accrued because of that. Look here, whatever that Bruhati Garbhamayan, the waters have given birth to the great god in the form of tortoise. Bruhati Garbha is the tortoise. And that tortoise appeared to be Janayanti Dadhana. So when it is being in the form of tortoise, it was so majestic. And the waters have attributed or ascribed all powers to be called as like Swayambhu, self-born. Swayambhu, self-born. Then the waters became so mighty that they were able to hold the embryo, and which will grow into different features. And and also the waters have given birth to many regions. See, that's why Adbhyo Vaidagam Samabhut Arthu Adhyasujjan. See, Tata Ime Adhyasujjanta Sargaha. Ee Sarga andre creation. So there are so many items of creation along with the tortoise and all that. They are like earth, heaven, directions and trees, plants, ella kuda, all of them have come into existence so that the nature and the lokas got themselves filled. One grand example you can imagine is all oceans are upon the earth. If you saw, for example, Pacific Ocean supposed to be having a 14 miles deep water and wide. So if you go deep 14 miles down, you find only earth. So earth is the base for any and everything. Even today, when we are all Brahmins or Vaishya Kshatriyas, before they start taking food, they will say, ಏನು ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Just before that, they take little water from the Uddharani to the right hand and say the mantra. ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ ಗೋವಿಂದ್ ಅವರೇ? ಅಮೃತೋಪಸ್ತರಣಮಸಿ. So upastarana andre seat, and swaha you drink it. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಫುಡ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಪ್ರಾಣಾಹುತಿಗಳು. ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯ ಅಪಾನ ವ್ಯಾನ ಉದಾನಾಯ ಸ್ವಾಹ ಅಂತ 5 times you take the food and put it. ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಯಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಣೇ ನಿವಿಷ್ಟೋ ಪೃಥಗುಂ ಜುಹೋಮಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ತರಹ ಜುಹೋಮಿ 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 ಅಂತ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಹಸುವು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ. ಹಂಗರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗಾಡ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಹಂಗರ್ ದೇವತಾಗೆ ಚುಚ್ಚಮೆ ಅಕ್ಷುಚ್ಚಮೆ ಯಜ್ಞೇನ ಕಲ್ಪಂತಾಂ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚಮಕದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ದಿ ಹಂಗರ್, ನಾನ್ ಹಂಗರ್, ಫುಲ್ ಹಂಗರ್, everything is all divine in a sense in there. So here also the water is at the base, and moreover the water born the embryo, which is mighty, which has the tendency for prosperous development. Embryo ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ because of the water content and water support, the embryo develops. And so the owing to the waters only, the entire world has been created, upasargaha. And by the divine tortoise, the worlds have been created, and hence the world is totally the manifestation of Paramatma himself. In other words, the same is to all things belong to Brahma, Brahma Swayambhuiti. So when you say Brahma Swayambhu, see, all that Brahma is Swayambhu. And when it is created in the beginning, Apoha, you see, how was it? Abhyova, okay, Abhyova idagum samabhut, Sarvam Brahma Swayam Bhumiti. That is exactly. Amele, how was the creation created? It was not perfect. ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವಗುಂ ಶಿಥಿಲಂ ಅಧ್ರುವಂ ಅಭವತು. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಕೆನ್, ಅಧ್ರುವಂ, ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್? ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು? ವೆನ್ ದಿ ವಾಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಿಕಲ್, all is born, and the Paramatma made this world to be quite brittle, open for decay and disappearance, resembling the nature of the water. If water kuda permanent alla, if say tanks get evaporated, and wells will become dried up, and rivers also get dried up, how the? This is what is called Sithilam Adhruvam. But even so, the chota mota water resources cannot continue to be alive constantly, but they are all prone for evaporation. Sithilam adhruvam abhavatu. So the fickleness and impermanence and change have become the characteristic of the nature. So prakriti kuda constant ga undadu. Prakriti is liable for change. If you look at Bangalore or Madras or Calcutta or Bombay, earlier, some 20, 30, 40, 50 years back, how it was like. Now, how is it like? And after 30, 40 years, how it will be like? There is no land at all available, and there is no water available. Everything is shortage. That's why there is that kind of a wonderful problem for us. And basically, Prajapati himself made Sithilam Adhruvam. These are the two terms for the nature, for people, for gods, for sacrifices, or anything that is created will be brittle. But that Kurma, that is the Arunaketuka Agni manifestation, direct, is the only one to monitor all these changes up and down and wide, far and wide. That's exactly the contribution of the Aruna Prasna to our lot. Therefore, Adhruvam Asithilam. Then when madidane Papa, ಈ ತರಹ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, he says, Prajapatihi vavatatu atmana atmanam vidhaya. So he tried to manifest himself by his own self. It is like something like the democracy definition. For the people, by the people, for the people, like that. Democracy ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ? He atmana atmanam vidhaya. So even all the children are nothing but the replica or copyright of the father and mother. That's a bimbat pratibambo jayate. ಈ ನಾಮಕರಣ ಮಾಡೋ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಂಬದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಿಂಬ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಬಿಂಬ ಆ ಎರಡು ಬಿಂಬಗಳಿಗೂ ಏನು ಭಿನ್ನವೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಎನಿವೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿರ್ವಾವತತು ಆತ್ಮನ ಆತ್ಮಾನಂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ? ವಿಧಾಯ. He himself shaped. There is nobody to come and shape him when he manifested, but it is a self-shaping automatic machine. Automatic ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. So automatically Brahma shaped his manifestation, and therefore, having done that, he entered into the world, and the same is explained in the next passage. So Prajat tada tadeva anupravisatu. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಪುರುಷ ಸೂಕ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ, ಏನು ಸ್ವತೋ ಋತ್ವ in Purusha Sukta it is said, he will not be born, but he will cause everybody to born. So, like that, Prajapati, when he causes people to be born, that is, he divides himself to that. So, here, Tadesha Abhyanukta Tadeva Anupravisatu Atmana Atmanam Vidhaya is the key word for the continuation of the kind of creation that has been flowing down the generations and generations. That's why in Mahanyasa, you get a beautiful statement. Brahmatman vada srujata yada srujata tadakamayata samatmanatmanam pratibhajyeti. So he wanted like that. Atmanatmanam ದಶಭೂತಕಂ ಸಂತಂ ದಶಭೂತೇತ್ಯಾಚಕ್ಷತೆ. ಆ ಮಂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆಯೋ ದೇವರೇ ದಿಕ್ಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಕೊನೆದ ನೇದಿಷ್ಠೋ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೋ ಭವತಿ, ನೇದಿಷ್ಠೋ ಆ ಕೊನೆದ ನೇದಿಷ್ಠ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೇದಿಷ್ಠ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಯಮಬದ್ಧನ. Those people who have got the discipline, they will be really great. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೋ ಭವತಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ should endeavor what he created. It looks at the beginning Sithilam and Adhruvam. He has to take again editing and monitoring and see that things will become like that. So whatever is unsteady, whatever is broken pieces, they can never be made permanent also. So like that, ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಥ್ರೋ ಆಫ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I think today we stop. In about 20 minutes, I got to go to my lecture. And Om Swasti.
Om Swasti. Om Sahana Bhavatu. Sahanau Bhunaktu. Saha Viryam Karavavahai. Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Sri Veda Purushasirvadavatu. Om Tatsatu.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗುರುಳೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಇವಾಗ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಇವಾಗ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ